Good morning, reception on Friday. So we are going to find out more about seeds, and we're going to continue reading. We're going to come to the end of our book today. So let's start. The title of this page says, New Seeds Grow. Tiny grains of pollen grow down into the carpels. Can you remember what the carpels are? They are the female part of the plant. They join with eggs inside the flower head. This is called fertilization. And again, fertilization is in bold. So I'm going to go to the back of my book and find the glossary and find the word fertilization. It says, when a grain of pollen joins with the egg in a carpel. The carpel is the female part of the plant, like I just said. Now they can grow into seeds. The rest of the flower is no longer needed, so the petals fall off. Each sunflower head holds hundreds of seeds, and you can see the label here pointing at the seeds inside. It is the end of the summer. The sunflower plant looks old and tired, but it still has work to do. It is growing lots of healthy seeds. The seeds swell and turn black. The word swell means that they grow and they get bigger. The seeds are collected and used to make food for people and for pets. Move on to the next page. Spreading the seeds. The seeds are ripe and full of food. Lots of small animals like to eat them. Birds use their strong beaks to pick the tasty seeds off the flowers. Squirrels and mice find seeds that fall on the ground. They eat them or bury them. The sunflower has done its job. Soon it will die and animals and bugs will eat the dead plant. There's a caption here. Birds crack open the seeds with their beak. When spring comes, the seeds that are in good soil begin to germinate. They will grow into new plants and the whole life cycle will begin again. Squirrels hide seeds in the ground. They may come back and eat them. So these two pages are about spreading the seed. And this little birdie, does anybody know the name of the bird? It's called a robin. That's a very British bird. This robin wants to know how seeds are spread. How are seeds spread? So that's the sentence you're going to be writing today. So you can start with seeds are spread by, and there's lots of examples. If you go back to the page before, seeds, you can find out how seeds are spread. So I'll start the sentence off for you, and you are going to write your sentence as to how seeds are spread. If I put this on the right pen, I start with oh, is that okay? Let's try again. Seeds. And I've started my sentence with a capital letter and I've remembered my finger spaces. Seeds are, A-R-E spells are spread. And I've got the spelling for spread on the board to help me. Seeds are spread by, and if you try and remember from the pages before, you could write seeds are spread by squirrels burying them, or seeds are spread by birds eating them. So there are lots of different ways. You can even think about what you already know. So sometimes seeds can be spread from the wind. So I'd like you to write a sentence telling me how seeds are spread. I look forward to seeing your great work, reception.